Hello folks, Iqbal Qualia here. Today I'm gonna demonstrate how I can make alchemagic, uh, a consistent one. Yes, with using my hands. We have Cotris, Coitris or something like that lah. We have this great one over here, and then we have a roaming prison dragon. Because of we play alchemagic inside, right? And then this Buds order lah. If you have a original power 5,000 or less, it can get plus additional 10,000 power. So this is the plant tokens here. So this is the mainly the main phase lah. So this is your hand, and this is deck, and this is drop zone. Okay, for the do, you can call this card. You can call this card anywhere lah you want. My preferred place is I put in the front row, or you can put in the back row, because doesn't care anyway, you can kill the card anyways. So this skill, when you place from hand, if you do not play order distant, so you can search for one order and discard it. So let's say you search for this card, this one order, right, the Buds one, right? So you can discard it in the drop zone, but the cost is you must pay discard one card. So let's say you discard a prison realm dragon, and you have a prison realm dragon here, and then you take this card inside into your drop zone, and then you have secured one card here in the drop zone. Okay, this ability here, it said that you can play this card. If you put the card from to the drop zone, this unit gets, you can play this card from your drop zone. So in this case, we don't play this card. Instead, we have inside your hand another card here. So what we are going to do is we play this card, and then this skill here of the Iron and Resentment Dragon Iron Anchor, it can alchemagic this card. So basically, you bind this card. After you bind this card, you will get the power plus power, and then the effect resolves. You can call this card, both of this card, stem over here, die lah, this card over here, and then automatically you get 10k, 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 and another 10k, 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 10k. So basically is 20 here. This column here will be like 25, 25, 50 lah. And then if you alchemagic, you get both of the effects. That is 10k power and an additional crit, so 60k and 2 crits over here. This doesn't include the trigger check for the Vanguard. Let's say if you got the front trigger or you got crit trigger, you get additional extra crit to to kill your opponent. Like if you the trigger check for a crit, you can pump over here, and then it gets like another freaking big attack lah, like 70k, 3 crits like that. And then if you get a front trigger, 70k, 2 crits, pressure a big number lah, to choke your opponent hands, to get rid of your opponent's hands, including the PG lah.